Welcome, Chicos. You are here with two Gringos on the Gulf, and today we're going to take a short little drive leaving Oaxaca City with little Jennifer and our 15-year-old Maltese, little Cece. Hop in, sit back, and relax. Make sure you buckle up, and let's take this little adventure together, Chicos. Vámonos. So we just finished up a 3-day adventure in Oaxaca City with our dear friends Dave and Lainey from Canada, a couple subscribers that reached out to us, and we took this little adventure here with them. Now they've gone back home, and Jennifer and I are heading back to Huatulco, just the Three Amigos traveling along here in Oaxaca City. Now we ended up staying in the heart of the city, right in El Centro, Chicos, and we're just hitting the road now. As we drive through the city streets here, my friends, I have a story I want to share with you guys. I'd heard this story while we were in Oaxaca City, and I would like to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Now this is a story of the secret of the Zapotec Moon, Chicos. In the heart of Oaxaca City, where the cobblestone streets glow under the soft lantern lights, an old storyteller named Don Matias would sit every evening in the Zócalo, spinning tales for those who would listen. But there was one story he told to those who truly believed in the magic of Oaxaca. A hidden treasure beneath Monte Albán. Long ago, before the Spaniards arrived, the Zapotec civilization flourished in Monte Albán, the great city that still stands in ruins above Oaxaca. The Zapotec king was known for his wisdom, but he also held a secret. A treasure so powerful it could change the fate of Oaxaca forever. According to legend, the treasure wasn't gold or jade, but a sacred moonstone gifted by the gods. It was said that under the light of a full moon, the stone would glow with an otherworldly light, revealing hidden messages that only the true ruler of Oaxaca could read. The arrival of the Spaniards. When the Spanish conquistadors arrived, they heard whispers of this sacred stone and sought to claim it for themselves. But the king, knowing its power, hid it deep within the ruins of Monte Albán. Protected by an ancient riddle, the stone was lost to time, and with it the fate of the Zapotecs. a modern-day discovery. Now centuries have passed and Oaxaca grew into the vibrant city it is today. One day, a young archaeologist named Luce came across an old codex in a forgotten corner of a library in Santo Domingo. The codex spoke of a prophecy. When the moon kisses the runes and the jaguar calls its name, the chosen one shall awaken the secret of the Zapotecs. Intrigued, Luce climbed Monte Albán on the next full moon. As she stood among the ruins, she heard a deep growl. A jaguar, though no such animals lived in the area anymore. Following the sound, she found herself before a stone slab covered in ancient inscriptions. The moonlight struck the stone at just the right angle, and suddenly the carving glowed. Words in the Zapotec appeared before her. The heart of Oaxaca beats beneath the moon. Seek the past, embrace the present, and the future shall reveal itself. Words to live by, my friends. So, chicos, it was in that moment that Luce realized that Oaxaca's greatest treasure wasn't hidden gold or jade or any precious metal whatsoever. It was its culture, traditions, and the wisdom of its ancestors. The true wealth of the city wasn't buried in Monte Albán, but it lived on in its people, its stories, and its spirit. Don Matias would finish his story with a smile, looking at the faces of those listening. Some would scoff, calling it just another legend, but others, especially the ones who truly understood Oaxaca, would glance up at the moon and wonder, what if the stone still awaits for the right person to find it? And somewhere deep in the ruins of Monte Albán, under the glow of the Oaxacan moon, the past continues to whisper its secrets to those willing to listen. Are you willing to listen, chicos? Alright, chicos, I hope you guys enjoyed that little story as much as I did. I really enjoy doing this research for you guys. I'm learning so much about Mexico, and you guys are encouraging me to learn about Mexico by making these videos for you guys. So we are learning together, my friends. Thank you so much for that. Anyway, chicos, let's carry on and check out the rest of this beautiful city here as we drive along. Sit back and relax, and let's go. Vámonos. Alright, chicos, I just want to hop on here quickly and tell you guys that I had no problem driving in Oaxaca City, even in the downtown center. It was pretty straightforward, easy going. Signage was very clear, lights were very clear. The drivers were all very respectable. Here is a little bit funky, as you can see. We're driving on the wrong side of the road, but this is a merging lane leaving the downtown center, and we're going to cut across here and enter onto the highway. Little bit weird, but just follow the flow of the traffic and you'll have no problems. All right, chicos. Thank you so much for joining me today on this little ride. Jennifer and I, we really appreciate having you guys here with us. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And be sure to check out the videos coming up here at the end, my friends. I've dropped them specifically for you. Adios.